How to reshare friends' WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Updates at the bottom. Here, you'll find all your friends. And click on the status of the friend. After you've clicked on the status of the friend, at the bottom you'll find two arrows. Click on the two arrows options to reshare. After you click on it, it will lead you to a page where you can add it to your story or simply reshare to other friends. And they will only be able to see if they are friends with the person. And this is how to reshare friends' status on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.